keep going.
Jenny, Tommy has hiccups in case you can't tell. This is the most exciting thing he does all day. He gets it once a day.
Is he practicing to drink?
When I drink a few six-packs, this is what I'm going to do. As soon as Daddy teaches me how to drink.
Well, newborns are predisposed to have hiccups more easily than... Oh.
It's a squeaker. To know the hiccup system is working.
Yeah, they do a genetic test for that.
Right.
The hiccup, the functional hiccups.
Yes, but did he inherit him from your side?
They give us this great card at the hospital after they did a hearing test on him. It had two boxes they could check. They checked one or the other. They checked the one for him and says, your baby's hearing is just fine. You know, everything's great with him. He'll be tested again at a later date. Everything's fine. Then the one below it says, your baby needs additional testing for his hearing. You know, instead of saying your baby is having hearing problems, it says we need to do more tests for your baby's hearing. I was like, oh god.
You know what that means.
Talk about covering your butt.
Daddy, you want to take him?